The HP 17-inch Business Lap 2025 features a large 17.3-inch full, high-definition IPS anti-glare display, providing excellent screen space and vibrant colors for productivity tasks. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, this laptop offers 6 cores and 12 threads, ensuring smooth and responsive multitasking capabilities. With Windows 11 Pro and a dedicated AI copilot key, users can enjoy enhanced task simplification and workflow optimization. The laptop is configured with up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a fast 1 terabyte PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, providing ample memory and storage for demanding applications. Connectivity is robust with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, along with a variety of ports, including USB-C and HDMI, ensuring seamless integration with other devices. The inclusion of a WOWPC Recovery USB makes system repair and troubleshooting straightforward, adding to the laptop's user-friendly appeal.